Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to allow or deny apps from having access to your location on Android 15 phones. First, I will show you how to identify the apps that have access to your location. Then I will show you how to allow or deny their access. So to do this, go to Settings, scroll down, then tap on Location. Now tap on App Location Permissions. Under Allowed all the time, you will see the list of apps that are allowed to access all the time. Under Allowed only while in use, you will see the apps that have access to your location when they're running. And under Not Allowed, you will see the apps that are denied access to your location all the time. Now, if you want to change the setting of one of the apps, just tap on it. For example, I will select Amazon Shopping. I can now choose Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. I will choose Ask every time. All done. You can follow the same steps to allow or deny any other apps. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.